This is a giant kelp forest. These underwater forests are one of the most productive places on Earth. They support endangered sea otters and a huge variety of fish, invertebrates, and other marine life. They provide critical nursery grounds for thousands of species. Kelp forests perform a crucial role in absorbing greenhouse gases and help prevent coastal erosion. But our once vast kelp forests are being eaten by an explosive overpopulation of native sea urchins. It started in 2013 when a disease wiped out sunflower stars, the urchin's natural predator. Combined with a multi-year marine heatwave caused by climate change, the purple urchin population exploded, devastating many of Central California's kelp forests and leaving many animals without food or their natural habitat. The Giant Kelp Restoration Project aims to combat this by reducing out-of-control urchin populations to their normal levels. Keith Rootstart and his team are leading trained kelp restoration divers to successfully reduce the number of urchins at Tankers Reef so that kelp forests can regrow. It is a huge undertaking, but it's worth the effort to protect our oceans. G2KR inspires local volunteer divers to join their effort to restore these beautiful kelp forests in Monterey Bay. As Monterey scuba divers, it is our responsibility to protect these natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. Register to dive with the project at g2kr.com and follow us on social media. Join our community effort to protect and restore Monterey's kelp forests.